Oh my god, I have to start the system. Hurry up. First I have to start the television and the C64. Now I can start the rest of the system. Almost ready, only a small little button to finish the boot up procedure. Now we can start the presentation. Wow, do you see these awesome devices? They were all created by Christian. Hello everyone, how you doing? Today I will show you some details about my new automation and security system. That are the big versions of the security stations. Each station has a lot of sensors and actors. In this example we have 3 stations in 3 different rooms. Each station records a wide variety of types of data such as temperature, light, humidity or movement in the room. All large stations are equipped with a movable ultrasonic sensor that create a radar image of the respective room. That is the secure server. The stations send their data to him. All data is saved in a database and can be accessed in a variety of ways, such as on a smartphone, tablet or on any computer and even on a game console if it has a web browser. Communication with the stations is bidirectional. This means that the server can communicate with the stations and the stations with the server. This is the Jarvis Commander, a portable device that can of course also be mounted on the wall. It gives you full access to the system even without smart devices. You can control all stations, switches, thermostats and cameras with it. And the last but not least is the security robot. It contains all the sensors that the large stations also have and can also control them. He can drive through a floor alone and monitor the rooms. It can be freely programmed. There are different arms that can be mounted in order to carry out a wide variety of experiments. He is also able to generate a radar image of what he is currently seeing. Now I will show you an animation about the security stations. On the front there is a display with 4 lines of 20 characters each. Next to it there is a key matrix with 16 keys, with which the station can be controlled directly on the device. On the right side there is a motion detector that can detect the movement of people. Technically it is a person infrared scanner. Inside the station there is a radio unit, a real-time clock, the various sensors such as for temperature or humidity, a backup battery and a small speaker. On the left side are the connections of the microcontroller and the slot for the SD card. In addition, there is an infrared receiver, the light sensor, a fire detector and an alarm LED on the front. The movable ultrasonic sensor is located on the top of the station. It can be used to create a radar image of a room or to check whether the doors and windows are open or closed. Here you can see what it looks like when it moves. And finally here is a little animation of the security robot. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, subscribe to Christian's channel. He would also be very happy to receive a thumbs up. Visit his channel regularly if you want to see how the project goes on. I wish you a nice day, and always think about it. Love with the heart. Everything else does with Jarvis. Good night, my friends. Stay tuned.